everyone, how are you? Leah Coss with the Mortgage Center. I wanted to talk about purchase plus improvements. A lot of people are inquiring about this these days, and there's some big misunderstandings that's getting people discouraged as well as just not getting them approved altogether. Purchase plus improvements, what this is you're going to purchase a home, but you know that right off the bat there's things you want to fix up on it, like right from the get-go, but you don't have the money to do it, so you want to get renovation money that you can then wrap up into the mortgage. Now, there's a lot that I could go on and on about with purchase plus improvements, but what I want to do here is just give you the Coles Notes, and then you can give me a call if this is something that you're interested in, and I can get into further detail. But the most important thing that you need to understand with improvement money is, for one, you need a quote up front. Before the mortgage is even submitted for application, when we submit it, we need a contractor quote. So that means if you're trying to purchase a property, you've got to ask the seller to let some contractor in to give you a quote on what you want done, whether it be new paint, drywall, electrical, whatever it is you're doing, you need the quote up front. Then we submit it to the lender and we ask for those funds. Second thing that you need to note is you do not get those funds on completion date. What you get are the funds to purchase that home with. You don't get the improvement money until after the improvements are done and they've been verified by the bank or the notary, whatever the situation is, and then they see receipts, they see pictures, they get another appraisal done, whatever the terms were from the beginning. Once that is done, then they will release the funds. So you need to be able to pay for those renovations, sometimes within 90 days, because they have a limit, time limit on how long they'll give you to do those renovations. You need to pay for that out of pocket up front. Or you need to find a nice contractor who will give you a net 30 or a net 60 on those payments. Then you need to prove that they were done, and then you'll get reimbursed that money. Third thing that you need to note is it has to be an improvement and it has to be on the home. So there's two things I want to bring up here. For one, if you're trying to get a fence put on the property, if there's a detached garage that you're wanting to get a new garage door for, if you're wanting to put in 40 hedges along the side to create a barrier between you and the neighbor next door, none of those are items that you can use improvement money for. The improvement money can only go towards things that are on the actual home. Second thing to note is it's only for improvements. So this is a very common thing. Contractor will go to write down removal of windows, $1,000, reinstallation of windows, $2,000. Well, guess what? That window removal, not covered under the renovation money. You need to ask your contractor to just be a little more general in what they say. If the lender sees demolish, rubbish removal, taking things down, taking things out, removal, those are key words that they go, removing? Yeah, we know you're putting in a new bathroom, but to remove the old one? That's not improving anything. That's devaluing it. Now there's a house potentially where if these renovations don't get finished, we're left with no bathroom in this home. So any renovations that you're getting done in the quote, the only thing that you want in the quote that we submit to lenders are things that are improving the property. So removing of bedrooms can often be perceived as not adding value. Any kind of demolishing, even when you're going to plan on replacing, like if it's removing of old plumbing and then replacing of old plumbing, only the replacement will be covered under renovation money because it's purchase plus improvements, not purchase plus stuff you're doing to the house. So those are really important factors to look into. If this is something that you're interested in doing, there's other things we need to get into, such as not all lenders do it. Rental properties are harder to get done with improvement money, so on and so forth. So give me a call if this is something that you're wanting to do. I'd be more than happy to guide you through the process and help you out. And other than that, I guess I look forward to hearing from you soon. Leah Coss with the Mortgage Center, helping you understand your mortgage.